Hello, and welcome to this week's virtual tip of the week, where today we're going to have a little fun with litigation analytics. Yes, I said fun. This is going to be very helpful as well. So imagine that you have an interview coming up with an attorney or a judge or a law firm, and you want to kind of get some insight and kind of understand a little bit more about that firm or about that judge. All you need to do is use the litigation analytics feature within the Lexis Plus platform to gain that insight. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go ahead and open up the Lexis Plus platform, and then along the left, click on Litigation Analytics. From here, you're going to have three options. You can use the search bar at the top and enter in just a single attorney's name, a judge's name, or even a firm name. Alternatively, down below, you have two boxes. This would actually let you compare and contrast up to 4 law firms at a time, up to 4 judges at a time, up to 4 attorneys at a time. But we're going to take a look at both, but let's go ahead and start with just the single search at the top. So here I've entered Holland and Hart. And once you've pulled back the report, this is the type of information that you're going to get. So notice on the left, you have cases by type. You can see you have both federal and state cases, so you can kind of get an idea of the type of cases that this firm typically takes on. Over here on the right, you can see the different cases filed by year, the top courts that they tend to file with, their top clients, and of course, what role do they typically represent their clients. Now, that's the single search, just looking up one person, one law firm. But let's go ahead and take a look at multiple law firms. So instead of using that single search bar at the top, here I've went ahead and clicked on Compare Counsel, and you can see I've entered in 4 different law firm names. I've got Kirkland & Ellis, DLA Piper, Latham & Watkins, and Baker McKenzie. So once I click Compare Counsel, this will then pull back a report that can show me the different cases filed by year for the various law firms over here. You can see right here, Kirkland & Ellis, Latham, DLA Piper, and Baker. And then directly below that, you're going to see the different, representation that they often provide. Are they more of a plaintiff's firm or more of a defense firm? You can see the cases by type. And one of my favorite things is you can actually see a timeline of how long a typical trial would take with XYZ law firms. So you kind of have an idea what to expect. This similar type of graphical information is available for judges as well. You would simply click on Compare Court and Judges, enter in their names, and this is going to, again, pull back a summary of information about the cases filed by that court each year, the typical caseload that this judge takes on, and of course, the timeline. And that's it. That's this week's virtual tip of the week. Simply answer the question below and you'll be set. Until next time, have a great rest of your day.